shop, it's like 103, and I was like,
This.
mineral spirits, transmission fluid.
What have we got? Looks like all kinds of stuff. What's that? It came off. Good tune, right?
Yeah.
And you know why? Because the throttle shaft is loose. And we got an air leak going in through here. What we're going to do, disassemble one. And see if we can ream it out to 3/8 oversized and then get a bushing.
Okay.
But we'll get to this later. And the question is, why don't I just take a 3/8 drill bit and drill through it?
Because it won't be perfect.
Two problems. One, yeah, the machining quality won't really be very good. But we're putting a bushing in, so why do we care?
I don't know.
We really don't, do we?
No, I guess not.
You know, as long as the bushing will stay there. What's going on with it is, there's the bolts.
She'll give it a light.
The light.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I just plugged the light in.
Oh, man.
Get this on.
This?
Maybe not. I gotta clean my hands up.
Alright. Yes.
There's no holes at all. Kind of a bummer. There's her bolt pattern, it looks like. We're gonna plan ahead. This goes on there like this. This is gonna have to go back further. Like that. One set of them. So I ordered up another set, figuring we'd never find another set. We maybe would have. Upper right,
Upper right? No.
lower right.
Perfect.
So, I think our engineering is almost done. Critical that this all be kept not mixed up, which is why there's these holes right here to keep those on the correct side.
Alright.
Yeah. See, look at that.
Oh man.
And this is the good one. That's the bad one. This is the good one.
Okay.
Just on this one. See that moving?
Mm-hmm.
That causes air to leak in
That's not
and
good.
skip picking up fuel, just coming in as pure air.
Yeah.
It's a vacuum leak. The main jet. My year, yeah. See how that is? See the split?
Oh yeah.
The idea is once it's screwed in, you go take a chisel or something and so it can never come out.
Uh-huh.
Imagine if that screw comes out and goes in the motor.
That's, yeah.
Over nothing, over a cellulose screw, you destroy at least the cylinder head, probably the one piston at least, maybe the block.
Yeah.
See, now you can see it moving fairly well.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it'll start or some other shit.
Everything started working later.
You know? But at least we can run without a water leak. We got our magic thing for reading hose temperatures.
We need to test it.
Yeah.
Make sure it works.
And maybe that one will start, or maybe we'll get an angle on one or something.
I'm not messing with that. Yeah, so this is not gonna work.
This.
Mineral spirits, transmission fluid.
Grab on that side of it. Pretty well got it. Alright, I'm gonna look in here. I won't worry about them. This, number 2 straight.
Not looking good.
What's wrong?
I thought I saw a little bit of dust that time, didn't I?
No.
Thank you.
I don't want to break another drill bit. I already broke one today. Banana for a second. You were pushing so much. It's just vinyl. Chaz, do you remember where I ordered it? Was it on eBay or?
No, I don't remember.
This almost wants to stay now. Is it plugged in?
Yeah.
It's heated. It's not the wrong top. We ordered the right stuff and it doesn't fit the car. But it's set in the box here for like 6 months.
Well, in order to...
Full blast.
deflate. Yeah?
That's full blast.
Not even hot to the-
the first 3 times, and now the 4th time. 10 seconds to get to our appointment. Up, it's like 103, and I was like, hey, look, we're not even that.
Well, it can't go that far on the Velcro.
Okay, let's put it not so far.
Sort of matches up now, damn it.
Make sure that we really,
we could chance it and measure from there to there,
or we can fold the thing in
or we
half.
can fold.
These are too low. They're really round, I think, because the Velcro is right there.
It's not the right shape.
Go 1 inch off the screw with the Velcro. Okay.